Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Secretary ka Jilla uba DP Wahlang habajuba halor ka Jingïakren Ïasuk habdeng ka sarkar bat ka seng Hnlc ulong ha ka basdang kithrang ban beteng ka Jingïakren Ïasuk handai gidon ka tu ka ni ki mat ki badon kam ki bakim shimlala ban ya chakman ulai thu bakila karpat ki ban net phai byang shaka jaka ka bakiwan ban yakren sani bha bat haba kila shai bha bat kan sapoi byang shaka Jingïasuk thu kin sa beteng byang ka Jingïakren Ula benrap dak baong baka Jingkhang ka Plie na Bynta jongki man beteng ya ka Jingïakren Ïasuk.
Point of time, we are very keen to continue with the discussions, but unfortunately, there were some points which were tricky points as far as they were concerned, as far as we are concerned, and we couldn't meet at a point of convergence as far as those issues are concerned. So therefore, we requested them that they can go back to the place where they came from, have a proper discussion first, and when there is complete clarity and when we arrive at a point of convergence, then we can resume the talks. So they went back, they have had meetings among themselves, but they have not come back to us to resume the talks. So we are waiting. Our doors are open. That is the most important thing.
But the state
No, there are some items which are non-negotiable. There are some items which are negotiable. So when it is non-negotiable, because we have to take into consideration the fact that Ministry of Home Affairs is also in the middle of this. So non-negotiable issues cannot be compromised.